दीपिका, प्रोमो देखा, प्रोमो काफी पसंद आया। दीपिका, प्रोमो काफी बहुत अच्छा प्रोमो है। जिस तरह का प्रोमो जो भी पूरी सभी लोगों को यहाँ पसंद आया। काफी मारधाड़ है, काफी गोलियां हैं, और जैसे आपने कहा कि एनर्जी की आप बात कर रहे थे, दीपिका ने कहा कि बहुत एनर्जी, हर सीन में एनर्जी, फ्रेम में एनर्जी। गोली चलाने में ज्यादा एनर्जी खर्च हुई है, जो 2 सीन देखे हैं लिप लॉक के, उसमें ज्यादा एनर्जी खर्च हुई। What are the more challenging, energy, we are talking about energy. There's a lip lock scene, what we saw in the promo. तो कहाँ एनर्जी ज्यादा लगी?
I find it very amusing when you'll ask these questions, because honestly, I think when you approach scenes as an actor, there's no difference. It's exactly the same. And with Sanjay sir, you have to give more than 100% to every scene, every second, every line. He catches everything like that. So I mean, there's no difference. In fact, some of the simplest scenes where you've thought, okay, today I can go. Today I can go, and today I think it'll be a light scene, and most often the lightest scene will be the most difficult. He has the art of spinning a scene on its head and keeping you on your toes.
Yeah, a lot of blood, sweat, tears and saliva. Thank you.
Ranveer.
Thank you so much. We will definitely do
last
some
question.
more questions.
Okay, we'll take that as the last question.
Ranveer, yeah.
Ranveer and Deepika, both of you.
हमारे जो इंडियन
Ranveer,
ट्रेजेडी किंग है, वो
Can we have the last
उसके
question?
बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Ranveer, Deepika, the question is to you. गुजराती backdrop है, तो language में कितना problem आया जब आप ये film कर रहे थे? Because you had to speak Gujarati in the film. So can you speak something about? Can you speak Gujarati and any dialogue in Gujarati?
Honestly, it's not. I mean, it's a language that I had to learn, but familiar with. I think exactly like in Chennai Express, how I was familiar, but I still had to sort of work on it. I have a Gujarati friend, Hitesh. In fact, I've grown up with a lot of Gujaratis, or most of my friends are. So I've been very, very familiar with Gujarati. But then, of course, for the film specifically, when we were going through our workshops for 2 months before we started shoot, we did have a Gujarati coach with us who was with us on set, in fact, all the time. So if we wanted to just throw in a couple of words here and there, he was always there for us.
रणवीर, अभी आपने कहा कि आपने जैकेट दुबई में खरीदा था. So were you there to spend time with Deepika, or what was the reason for you to be in Dubai?
रणवीर सूसू कीधु. रणवीर
क्यों, आज डेट क्या है? कुछ खास डेट है? खास डेट तो है आज रामलीला का ट्रेलर लॉन्च हुआ है. तालियां.
Thank you so much.
रणवीर,
thank you. I'm really sorry, लेकिन हमें आगे बढ़ना बहुत जरूरी है, because now we have to meet the man जो वैसे रहते तो हैं पर्दे के पीछे, but without whose support we would have been incomplete. The man who believed in Ram Leela, and of course we all know him very well, the managing director of Eros International, Mr. Sunil Lulla. So we know Ram Leela has been a labor of love for all of those involved, but we'd really like to hear your experience of it.
Good evening, everybody. Being a part of this film, journey has been really very exciting. Sanjay is a director. Sanjay is a director with par excellence. He's a great director, and we all believe in him. The way he makes his films are really grand and lovely, with all the ingredients in it. And I would like to call Sanjay now here on the stage. You like to hear from him because he's the man, he's the captain of the ship. He would like to say something about Ram Leela you all are waiting for.
सेंटर में इधर. तो आज आप लोग आए यहाँ पे, तो पहले तो आपका शुक्रिया, क्योंकि ये हमारे लिए बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट फिल्म है, मेरे लिए खास करके, क्योंकि ये राम लीला है, मेरी माँ के लिए मैंने बनाया है. तो सो पहली बात तो मैं दीपिका को थैंक यू कहूंगा कि उन्होंने लीला का कैरेक्टर प्ले किया और इतना खूबसूरती से प्ले किया कि ये मेरा बहुत सालों का अरमान था कि मेरी फिल्म की कोई हीरोइन का नाम लीला हो, और वो फाइनली हो रहा है। हमारे जो ये रणवीर सिंह है, बहुत ही कमाल के आदमी है। उनको कंटेन करने में मेरे आधी एनर्जी शिफ्ट बढ़ गई है, क्योंकि वो उनको रोकने के लिए एक आधी शिफ्ट जाती है उसमें। तो गॉड ब्लेस यू एंड कीप and always be as energetic as you are, because that's your magic. And a big thank you to all my cast, all my actors, my writer Siddharth Garimai here, the fabulous Ravi Varman for shooting that film so beautifully, Vasikan for art direction, Anju and Maxima for costumes, and Shamji for the action, and Shobha and Chaitanya for this beautiful design that they've made. So this time I've worked with all the new people, and it is so much magic to find new energies and new people to work with, because then you have a newer perspective to your own vision, and I think that's what has made this film so special for me. A big thank you to Kishore and Sunil, because they really mean a lot to me. They've stood by me in everything, so God bless. My CEO Sandeep Singh, my executive producer Chetan, these are all very, very important. My assistants, all the junior artists who have worked in the film, and they have done more work than I think all the other remaining cast put together. So God bless them, and all my dancers. So I had a blast shooting this film, and God bless you. Hope you like it. Thank you.